coming in as far as this is concerned. Apart from the TMC top leadership, Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav is also expected to address the rally today, and Samajwadi Party leader has in fact confirmed that Kannauj MP Akhilesh Yadav has been invited to the event, and this invitation has been extended by Didi, who is West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, to Akhilesh. And what we're getting to know through our sources is that Akhilesh Yadav has accepted this invitation by West Bengal Chief Minister. Listen in.
तृणमूल कांग्रेस 21 जुलाई को शहीद दिवस हिसाब से मानते हैं, तो इस बार समाजवादी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी को आमंत्रित किया। अखिलेश यादव जी आमंत्रण को एक्सेप्ट किया। कल अखिलेश जी सीधा उत्तर प्रदेश से लखनऊ से आएंगे इस सभा के संबोधित करने के लिए, और यहाँ से दिल्ली जाओ। 11 बजे एयरपोर्ट में आ जाएंगे, 11 बजे से 11:30 पे सभा में आ जाएंगे।
Well, now, this is a story that is coming from the state of West Bengal. The Trinamool Congress, fresh from its victory in the Lok Sabha polls, is now gearing it up for its Martyr Day rally today, aiming to highlight its role in strengthening nationwide opposition unity and countering the BJP in West Bengal. Now, TMC sources are telling Times now that party leadership, which is part of the National Opposition Alliance India bloc, is expected to outline its strategy for the national stage, and Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav is also going to be part of this rally. My colleague Adrija joins me on the phone call. In fact, Adrija, do tell us, this is a Martyrs Day rally that TMC is going to carry out today. Samajwadi Party leader will be part of this important rally, but has any invitation been extended to the Congress party or any other party of the India bloc?
Absolutely. You see, the Martyrs Day rally, this is an annual TMC rally. Every year it is held. And this year especially is going to be special because after the Lok Sabha election, which is going to take place, and, Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party chief, will also be present in this entire rally that is going to take place. And at the same time, it is expected that, TMC and the SP are the two important blocks of India Alliance at present, and they will be laying out the strategy for future to, how they will be fighting the opposition, the BJP, in the national politics, and at the same time in West Bengal as well.
Well, thank you, Adrija, for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. But amid all this, BJP is gearing up for the protest, and while TMC anticipates a massive rally with attendees from across the state, TMC asserts that regardless of BJP's action, that is the protest that they will be doing, their rally will be a resounding success. They also went on to say that BJP leaders should focus on resolving their internal conflicts first rather than talking about their rally. Listen in.
TMC will have a huge rally on 21st July. And comparing with that, BJP's any program, that will be a miserably failure. They have been defeated in recent Lok Sabha election and by-elections assembly. And they are trying to make some issues, but they are very much disturbed only because of their internal politics, their groups, etc., etc. So they are trying to divert the issue. They are trying to showcase that they are going to organize a rally, a program, but they have absolutely no public support.
You're watching Times now. We're heading into a short break, but